Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check for any unknown caller. So if you receive any call from any unknown person and you don't know who they are, so what you can do is try to look them up on any application like Truecaller. So in order to install Truecaller, you need to head to your Play Store and then search for Truecaller. Then you need to click onto this particular application right here and install it. Once the application is installed, simply click on the open button and try to search for the number using which you received the call. So for example, I received the call from, for example, let's say any number like, and here you can see that it has shown me the information of this particular number. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.